If you're looking for a heartfelt idea, lifestyle expert and new mom Melissa Lamb joins us with some great ideas for Valentine's. Congratulations.
Thank you. Yeah, we're so excited. I can't believe Valentine's Day is just around the corner. So I have some great gift ideas for all the moms in your life to make sure you're saying I love you even during lockdown. So we're going to start with cleaning because as a new mom, I cannot tell you how much I love it when I have a clean house, and it feels like I never do anymore with a little one sitting around. And there's this great meme that's going around online where you see tap to clean and it's an image of a messy house. And if only this could happen in real life, right? There
Yes.
we go. So that's my son eating his milk and Cheerios, and he loves to throw his food. That's his new favorite thing to do. So my suggestion is, Dad, and if you have older kids in the house, clean the house from top to bottom. So I'm going to show you some really simple, easy ways. A life-changing product for us has been the Bissell Crosswave Cordless Max. The reason why it's a 2-in-1, so it's going to save you lots of time when it comes to cleaning up the mess. So this is the picture of it here, and what I love about it, it acts as your broom as well as your mop. So when there's a messy Cheerios and milk on the floor, it'll vacuum up the Cheerios and then mop the floor as well. And it's amazing the dirt and grime that you actually get on your floors. So it saves you a lot of time, so then you have more time to spend with your family. Other reasons why I love it, it's cordless, so I don't have to worry about finding an outlet, and it's self-cleaning, which even is a genius because it saves you way more time where you don't have to clean out the wet dry vac. You can use it on multiple types of surfaces. It's fine on linoleum. If you have coated hardwood, tiles, basically, anything goes. So the best way to check it out is you can head to bissellcrosswave.ca. They have a full range of different products, some great promotions. So it's just super perfect to save you some time so you have more time with friends and family. And this is what came out of my floor the other day. I'm almost embarrassed to show. I honestly thought I had a clean house, and then I used it. I was like, oh my goodness, this is gross. I'm almost embarrassed to show you that this came off my floor.
Yeah, but it looks like it makes cleaning your floors fun.
It absolutely does. My son is obsessed with it, which is great because now I have an excuse to use it. And it does make cleaning the floors fun. And it also, because it's a 2-in-1, it just saves you so much time. Instead of having to sweep and mop, you have one product to do it all for you. So it makes it life nice and simple for you.
Awesome.
Another great product for mom is we want to give her glowing skin. I guess the big trend for makeup this year is wearing less. So this is a great product. It's actually from Australia, but it's now available in Canada. It's called Aaliyah. And the reason why I love it, first of all, it's pink. So it's perfect for Valentine's Day. And the products are just so wonderful. So you start off with the micellar cleansing wash, and then they have an exfoliating scrub with pomegranate inside. And then this is what you're seeing here. This is what they're known for. This is the pink clay mask. So what you do is you take a little scoop out, you have the spatula, you put it on your skin for 10 minutes, you let it sit. So it's cute because you're going to have nice pink mask for Valentine's Day. And then you wash it off with warm water and you're going to have glowing skin. It's going to feel soft and nourished. I also love it because it's vegan, it's paraben free, and you can buy it all on Amazon. You can buy bundle packages, so it'll make you savings. Amazon.ca, so super easy to shop for Valentine's Day.
Okay.
Tasty treats. We can't forget about treats for mom. I love having chocolate cake, and this is the perfect drink to go with it. So this is called Black Heart, and why it's so unique is it's using black vodka. So this is Hound's Black Vodka. It's North America's #1 black-selling vodka. It's made in Ontario, so it's nice to support our Ontario distilleries. It's mineral infused, triple distilled, and they use this cool infusion with Volvic trace minerals and humines to get this cool color and texture. So you can see my drink is black. It's kind of unique and fun to share. Yeah, and they have a promo right now where you can get 10% off with the code VDAY on their website. And so for this drink, I use 2 ounces of the black vodka, a 1/4 ounce of creme de cassis, and then I topped it up with sparkling rosé. And again, I chose fresh because it's another great Ontario winery.
That is a great, yeah.
And it makes a delicious drink. So good for Valentine's Day.
You know what, Melissa? They're telling me that we're running out of time. I know that you've got sleepwear, so mom can stay in her pajamas all year long as well. But we're going to link up our website with your social media because you've got great tips. And again, congratulations on being a new mom.
Thank you so much. And yes, Nordstrom's making it super easy to shop.